guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to a layout share for the scrap room. I've got a recipe layout to create today, and what that is if you are not subscribed to the Flavors of the Month kit, every month when you subscribe, you get 4 recipes unique to each collection that's in the Flavors of the Month kit, and those are exclusive to subscribers. So I'm going to show you what's in this portion of Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month kit comes with 4 different mini collections. Basically, there's 4 collections out there. She takes it and makes basically page kits essentially, but you can make multiple pages, so it's not just a single page kit. So that's why I call them mini collections. She makes 4 little mini collections, and that is your entire kit. So this is just one portion. I'm going to show you what's in this portion of the Flavors of the Month kit, and then you will just see some close-ups of and stills of what I created with it, because that is exclusive for subscribers to the kit to get the breakdown and the process and all that good stuff. So I am playing with Simple Stories Simple Vintage Linen Market. Very red, white, and blue themed, very America themed, but it's Simple Vintage Market, so it's just happens to be, it reminds me just of picnic. That's what it reminds me of. So everyone's going to get 3 sheets of pattern paper and 2 sheets of cardstock. The cardstock you're going to get is Typhoon, but in the process, she said it could be subbed. Possibly, depending if she could get enough. So you might get this blue, or it might be something else. But as of right now, me filming this, it will be Typhoon. This beautiful blue. It's just like, it reminds me of denim. Doesn't that look like a denim? Yeah. And here's the pattern papers you're going to get. You're going to get 1 sheet of Blue Skies Ahead, which is this one. And I love this piece. But this is a fun background, like B-side as well. And then there's another piece, and this one is Life is Sweet. There's another lovely piece, and then this beautiful yellow. And then, oops, I had this on the B-side. Walking on Sunshine, which is a gorgeous flower on the back of that yellow. And then this beautiful red. So you get that. And I already have ideas of what I'm going to do. I'm excited to play with this kit. I just don't know photos I'm going to do yet. And then everybody's going to get some embellishments. These will vary per kit. So depending on what your kit comes with and how she divides it all up, you might not get the exact same things, but you will get the same types of things, but maybe not the exact items that I'm getting. So you're going to get some of the foam stickers. And if you know Simple Stories, they always come with, it's like the 2-sided 6x12 foam thing. So you get a portion of them. So I happen to get the lovely little happiness title, enjoy, life is good, a little floral, a little ladybug, a tiny little heart that has that yellow polka dot, and the little things, which those are great. Those are all things I like to document. And then everyone's going to get a variation of a mixture of floral bits and pieces, which is just Simple Stories term for their ephemera packs. They have floral bits specifically, and then the bits and pieces, which is a little bit of everything. So I've got this cute little flower, this lovely flower, which does not seem to go with any of the red, white, and blue, but that is fine. Sunny Days. This is a nice little flower cart, fresh flowers. So that's why it's like, it could be very Americana, and it cannot be, because look at the colors in this. 2 beautiful butterflies, which is awesome. A nice little bud. This little ladybug, this little blue flower. What's this one? Another, and a little bumblebee, and a nice little plaid heart. Oh, no, that's on there. It's hard to tell. Like, yep, those belong there. So these are the little ephemera pieces that I received. Like I said, those could vary per your kit. So I appreciate you watching. Make sure you check out the Facebook group, where you can see tons of fun challenges throughout the month, as well as the blog and some inspiration on both places. Always go check out the Scrap Room's YouTube channel. You can see all the design team posting their the ones that do videos will all be on there, plus the videos of the reveals of the kits, so the more in depth, so you could see maybe some other variations of what you get. And I'm not gonna get everything that the reveal is gonna show, so because it's all variable, it varies. So, and then you can also check out the blog for other inspiration, close-ups of some of the projects, and obviously there's links to the shop to grab the kit for yourself. So again, I appreciate you tuning in. Here will be some close-ups and stills of the finished pages for you. Thank you again. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.